my god, I wish you guys go kill yourselves.
Okay, it's time to grab my broom and hit black people.
Ano ba naman?
Okay, let's get slaves. I mean employees to work for us. Come on.
Wala, I'm getting on some soda.
Wait, we should get a restocker.
Hindi pre, we need cashiers. Restocking is easy kasi. We need cashiers.
Ate mo naman
Cashiers
yan.
are really annoying. Restocking is really easy. Cashiers are annoying. The cashier job is annoying.
Why
Okay.
does
I
Diga
fuck
cost
niggers.
more than normal,
Sabay!
bro?
Sabay, if they're too slow, we grab our broom,
We whack
work
them.
hard. Work harder, monkey! Pre, hindi
Where do I
naglolo.
put this? Okay.
Sa baba.
Are you sure that's the code?
Yes.
Pre, I ain't loading in.
Bruh, personal computers are right here, bruh.
What the fuck? Is my computer bad? Yeah, of course it is.
I'm moving these.
Let me restart my scam people together.
What?
Nothing. Pre, what if we just set everything to $10 inflation?
Yun. I think no one's coming in our store anymore, bro. See, whatever. Or we can get, we can get green tea. Who the fuck wants that?
No.
Ang ginagawa mo? Okay. So, you're telling me we have this much room, leg room right here. What is this?
Yes, so we can like multitask if there's
Okay,
no
I
other
fuck
one.
niggers is open!
Let's go.
No, not yet, not yet, not yet.
Oh, did we get some new products or no?
Not really.
Okay, let's get 2 cashier. We're gonna get 1. Fucking kill me.
I bought it already.
We need more employees. Where's our cashier? Where's our slave? Why did you put... Tayo lang, babalik natin yung Ba't nandito yan? Dapat natin sa most inconvenient corner ever. Nasa...
No!
Kill yourself.
Not here. Aray,
Hey!
oh, is that our slave?
Oh! Hello, slave!
He tried to save me.
I haven't found a sugar-free soda bottle. Can I... Okay, we need some soda. We need soda.
I'll buy all the soda.
Oh, we don't have a fridge to keep them in. All you have here is fucking yogurt. We need a fridge.
Yes, I'll put. Oh my god.
I'll put one.
I'll put one.
Okay, go.
Yan, na-restock nyo mga putang ina nyo.
Holy shit, bro. 181.
Pre, we're not in depth, pre. They not like us. They not like us. They not like us. Tabi! I like the fact when you click on people, it says you need a broom for this.
Putang ina.
Hoy, is anyone gonna attend the other damn cashier?
Oh
There's
shit.
3 now.
We should probably keep the other one for now because there's already 1, right? Let's keep the other one for now. Let's keep the other one for now. Can we keep the other one for now?
No.
Keep the other one for now. 641.
I can hear someone slapping someone.
Right, let me just get rid of this.
Oh, we can buy
How do you-
shop space.
How do you
bro.
delete stuff? How do you delete stuff with the build? You can't?
No, you can't. You can't sell shit.
I can't get rid of it.
Yep.
Pre, pabayaan
I'm
mo
gonna
na
put
kasi.
the most convenient one.
Bakit
Okay,
ganyan
pre.
na? Oh
Yeah,
my
no!
God!
Ayos na!
Ganto, pre,
Ayos na.
ganto. Wait lang. Ganyan, yan.
Stop wasting money! Actually, yeah, it's good.
Ganyan tayo,
what
tiyo
are
mo to.
you do? I'm gonna slap you, bro.
Ayoko na, alis na ako dito, tangina kay Directive.
Puta
Slave!
ka.
Work harder,
Slave,
monkey!
Work, slave!
Work harder!
Wi-Fi.
Recorder!
Wi-Fi.
Recorder!
Ooh, Wi-Fi.
Recorder!
We get more people. Oh, this. Are, more people din. Are, more people. Ah, there's a lot of spots to get more people. slaves, huh?
No, fuck the NPC. The employees glitched.
Ay, kayo
He still
kasi,
does his job though, right?
Ay, kayo
He
Yeah.
still
kasi.
does his job, right?
Oh my
Oh,
god.
let him, let him.
That job.
Oy, wala may telekinesis yan, yan mo, kaya nga special employee.
Puta, babagay ko.
Mapsake.
Come to I fuck niggers. We have Mob Psycho as our damn cashier, bro.
I have a feeling Ethan would,
I'm not
unironically, if he gets rich, he'll run a supermarket like this.
anti-racial act of one.
How many points do we have? Okay.
Oh, we can actually buy space. This shit is so cramped.
No.
Don't buy space yet. We need to get more money.
We need to fill all of
Money.
these shelves, then we're gonna adjust it.
Okay.
Fuck, bro. We don't have any more, what do you know?
Oh, rice,
But-
I'll restock.
We don't have any more rice.
How about water? Oh, wait! Oh! I'm so dumb!
Yeah, do your job, monkey.
So it actually
Your minimum
shows how
wage
much
job.
stuff you have in stock. Like, shows like products in shelf, products in storages. I did not notice that, so I can tell which one is out of stock here. So this,
How do you tell? How do you tell? Shopping list?
this.
Products and shelves. Ah, there we go.
Yeah, it shows,
Okay,
it shows kung anong kulang na. I already bought it. Don't. Oh my god.
Alright. We don't have any skimmed cheese, Emmental cheese.
Bro.
We don't have. We're running out of yogurt.
Who the fuck bought 2 rice? Why is this
I-
levitating? Putang ina, sinugari si Dua Lipa. Ayoko sa inyo. Puta, may mabsay ko na nga tayo. Meron pa tayong Dua Lipa. Who put the box here? Oh my god, throw in the trash can. Are you that lazy?
Why do we have 30 rice? I mean, putting it in the storage room. Well, we run out of rice really quickly anyway.
Pre, Vietnam exists. We need that rice.
Yeah, putting it in our storage room for now. So we don't need it yet.
Anong hinahanap
We have enough.
You haven't found. There's no more rice. Uy, ubos ang rice natin.
Okay, I'm gonna put in some rice.
Tama, may taga-Vietnam din eh. Sabi sa'yo, ubos yung rice. Wow, ang galing ng
Uga?
personal computer. Ba't ganun din pa din, are? Wait, what if you slap him?
Still doesn't do anything.
Si Dua Lipa, he's doing his job still, so who cares?
Pare, I'm going to
Can I-
ruin case of an intruder, you know?
Okay, when I intruder comes, si JJK jumping natin ha.
Umsing.
How do you
Alam mo yung you know that one scene with Yuji and Nanami and Mahito? We're gonna do that.
Fight back, nigga.
Guys, we need to get the second employee.
True. Or a cashier, just a cashier.
It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I don't mind me. This guy just staring me in the fucking soul. Jesus. Oh shit.
2,
Who the okay?
1.
We need coffee now, which is so expensive. Coffee is so expensive. Why'd you buy that?
No. We get more. We get preserves. We get preserves. We need preserves. We get preserves, then we get Wi-Fi connection. That shit gooted.
Infusions! Green tea! $119!
I told you guys
Who
it's
the fuck get
expensive.
that?
Worth it. Worth it. Okay, we're gonna get I'm gonna get peppermint.
Who got infusions? I'm gonna fucking kill all of you, bro. Oh my god,
I'm gonna increase the prices.
bro.
Yes, wait, don't worry, no, this is an investment, Ethan. We get more money.
If we're $4,000 back in debt, you
Yeah.
can tell me that. Oh my god, bro. I'm getting mint and valerian.
I already got Valeria, don't get it. Oh, I'm putting these in stock.
What did you say? I think.
I love how when you click on a person, it says need a room for this.
Kaya nga.
What the fuck?
Someone price check on the valerian. Wait, I'll restock. Someone price check.
Okay, wait.
I'll price check. You
Tama.
respect?
Yan.
Ano to?
Okay. I'll do it.
389. It's now 489.
Alo!
349. It's now 449. Oh, there. Bakit ka? Gagawin nyo.
Sabi ba?
$1 markup there, oh, bro. $1.
$1 markup. We're losing.
I haven't found this. Emmental cheese. Kill yourself.
Elemental cheese? What?
I put the...
Are you recording this? Either are you recording this?
Of course. Your
Thank
bass
God.
boosted voices are in this game.
Sigma Skibidi!
Putang ina.
Okay.
Okay, I haven't found Emmental cheese. Vanilla yogurt. We're running out of yogurt.
Okay.
Or like 1 box. Let me order like 1 box. Vanilla yogurt. Alright, there it is.
We need patapene. More honey.
Okay,
Putang.
hold on. We're gonna be selling.
Oh, we need another shelf. We have too many products.
Alright, there we go.
Give a fuck.
Now, hold on.
Ayusin mo na mic mo, i-end ko rin ako.
Ano ga? There.
Oh my god, we have so many damn products.
I mean, that's good. People buy more. It's an investment.
Watch us be 4K in depth again, bro.
You guys went in debt?
Yeah, we went 4K in depth.
I mean, not really. We lost 4K, not in depth. No, we weren't in depth. We just lost 4K in a single day because we're just that good.
No, because
But why the fuck are you throwing it not in the trash can?
Why? It's easier if you do.
Oh my
Go kill yourself.
God.
I'm just gonna bring my broom out just in case a monkey.
monkey.
Oh, monkey! Oh, monkey! If I don't see you paying for that, Iki, mapapala mo ka putang ina. Ay, putik! Fuck off! I'm trying to do my job as a cashier.
Guys, look at our money and we have a problem, guys. Guys.
Don't worry! Oh, fuck off! I'm trying to do my job!
Guys, look at our
Yeah?
money. Why is it like that?
Looks normal. Anyway, we just keep going. Why do I have so much soda?
Because we need to restock. Like the fact you bought a damn shelf and there's not a single shit on it.
Later, there will. It's a future investment.
Bro, puro ka na investment. Tingnan natin.
Yo! Ba't ganda ba mga pera natin? I can't lie, that's creepy. Why is our money going down like that?
Oh my god.
Sige po, here's $7! Monkeys, buy more! Bumili pa kayo po.
Guys,
Stop,
okay,
please stop.
what we're gonna focus right now is the top, which is preserves. And then we're gonna get Wi-Fi connection. It's gonna be like insane investment.
Wi-Fi connection?
Yeah, it gives us more people every day, daily.
That's good, that's good.
Well, some retard decided to get a decaf.
What do you mean? That's amazing. It's amazing.
Who the fuck needs infusions? We're fucking niggers. Oh my god, bro.
Hey guys, I'll be the
This is like Dali. You guys know Dali?
I'll be the mascot, bro.
Baka cool.
I fuck niggers. I fuck niggers.
Yeah, just shut up and fucking. Okay, but someone else run it. I love there's someone strip dancing on the counter. I love niggers. It's like, there's someone strip dancing on the fucking counter.
I love niggers.
I don't think that's gonna attract us more customers.
I think that's gonna weird out the customer and then actually do shit.
Not the weird out. They're just gonna leave straight up.
First thing they're gonna see, I love niggers.
Fucking yourself.
Sabay yung music background sa ating store, yung I have found you, nigga.
Shut the fuck up.
Sabay kung may dumating, we're gonna pass boost it. Kung may ano.
Kapag gani, pinost ko din sa school forum. Patay ka.
Uy, takin na mo!
Oy, 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 oy.
Oy. Anong turn?
I'm not talking.
Oh yeah, Gab, you ran the cashier this time. I ran it earlier.
Nga naman, Gab.
Hold on, give me a sec.
I haven't found this premium soda, decaf soda pack. Okay, restocking.
Hey guys,
Oh
look at
my
money.
god, $16!
Shit! How much soda did you buy?
Who the fuck bought 80 pieces of decaf?
I'm gonna not me.
fucking
That wasn't
kill
me this
you.
time. That wasn't me this time. That was Gab. Why do we need all day? Oh wait.
The original price is $3 and I put it as $4. I'm gonna put it as $5 actually.
$4. $4.
Five-
Nobody's gonna
$5 and 30.
$4.99.
$4.99.
Okay. Prince, go kill yourself. Why do you keep putting the boxes outside?
I'll do Spotify for this.
Keep it. No, don't do Spotify for this. It muffles out our voices and makes us sound less autistic.
Pre. Masan yung kantang yun?
Taka na si Chamber?
Puka ng ina mo.
Why would this stupid fucking dildo
Ano ga?
go up the fucking shelf? Thief!
Uy, boto siya.
Ay, wala.
Putang ina mo.
How can you
Bago
tell
pa?
if there's a thief or not? How can you tell if
May team lang
How
pala
can you,
yun.
how can you tell if there's a thief or not?
Ayan. I don't know. Maybe has a mask.
It says if they don't pay and just leave, they're a thief.
Guys, watch me.
Okay, guys, we should close up shop. Let's close the store.
Relax. Let me go. Go. Oh my god.
1,000!
Fritz. Wait the bus. We spent $850 on decaf. Okay, let's go. Let's go.
I told you guys, who the fuck bought decaf? Because we're gonna go broke from that.
Guys, unmute the button.
You see, it's an investment. So you chill out. Investment, bro. Just trust me.
Fritz, go outside. Unmute the button.
Okay. I know. Ay, tara! Jeez.
I like the fact that our fucking mob psycho shit is still here.
Same.
Oh my
Hayaan mo
God.
si Mob Psycho. Hayaan mo si Mob Psycho dyan.
We're calling you mob psycho from now on, bro. Okay, do you have a franchise point? Okay, thank God.
Work acquired. Let's go. Okay, now we just need...
We got canned
Wi-Fi.
foods, guys. Canned.
Okay, canned foods, and we have $30 to our name. Oh my god.
Okay, wait in the fucking back.
Oh, we're cool.
Who put a broom in the middle of the doorway? You just threw.
What?
Okay, opening shop. Let's go.
Keys, come to iFuck Niggers. Best prices. Only $2 markups.
Putang inang $2 makeup.
What? For the reason is there's a autistic person strip dancing saying "I fuck nigga."
Okay. If we ever like get a thief, I'm gonna watch it take a shit.
We ever get what?
If we ever get a thief and it got locked up, I'm gonna watch it take a big fucking shit.
A teeth? A teeth? What?
Yes.
Ah, thief.
No, a
A
thief.
teeth? Ah, thief.
Magnanakaw.
A thief. Sorry, for a second. I haven't found this cat food.
Oh, because we have a fucking new ano. Yeah, that's normal.
Putang ina, bro. We got $30 to our name. Expect.
Pre, can you guys look at preserves? I don't think we can handle that.
Oh! Who fucking bought preserves?
Who the? Oh my god.
Because ano, we need internet.
Okay, true. You know
We
what?
need dog. Okay, dog food. Dog food.
We need cat food. We also need cat food.
Dog food is good.
Dog
for our
food and cat food. Buy
I-
dog
we
food
can't-
first. It's more worth it for dog food.
Alright, let's go. He's just saying dogs are more important than cats.
Okay.
That's gonna piss
No,
off a lot
because
of
it
people.
has more.
Market
The price
value.
is
Yeah, market
more.
Nah, strip dance right now.
I fuck niggers. I fuck niggers. I fuck niggers.
Wala, I'm getting a broom ready in time some nigga fucking doesn't pay.
Let's change the music but though I have found you, nigga.
Okay,
Don't
so-
you? Yes, when someone comes.
Yo, bitch, you paid, right? Bitch.
Did she pay? Did she pay? Oh, she's not in jail. Tayo.
Ano to, imposter among us?
Oh, tangina, if he's in jail, and you can enter the jail and they just beat the shit out of her for fun. Oh, we're getting $10.
We're getting a lot
I
of
can
money,
buy.
actually.
We can buy the ano now. We can buy the dog food. Dog food.
Okay, now the question is, where do we fucking place this shit?
Nga pala. That's the problem. Okay, we wait for this pasta penye to go away.
We need, guys, we need to restock in the fucking soda. And the yogurt. Yeah, the
I'm gonna
yogurt.
pay for it. I trust you guys with doing nothing, right? Be back.
watch us delete the whole fucking place. I have found you, nigga. Don't you run from me.
I was gonna alt tab and they just ran to Gab meticulously staring me in the fucking soul. It's just staring me in the soul. I just alt tab. Okay, wait lang. Luluto na talaga. Wait lang. Hold on.
Ano ng pera natin, guys?
Ah, gago ka! Uy, walang nasa cashier.
Lang, okay. Nagre-rest.
Bye.
Nod, you can nod.
How do you nod?
No, like, just move your camera up and down. Do it. look.
Okay.
So, na ni Pre.
I fuck niggers, I fuck niggers, I fuck, I fuck niggers. Okay, let's go. Let's go. I swear to God, there's gonna be a thief when we're doing these bits.
Kaya nga. The fuck? Instead of shit? Okay, I ain't got the dog food ready just in case some monkey. Pre, noon sa the cashier.
Okay lang.
I'm watching both of you.
Okay. We literally need a product shelf. Another one.
Hindi kasi, ba't kasi doble-doble yung isa to? Doble rin. Uy, bilis isa na lang. Tangin mo.
Wait lang. Kuhanin ko yung price para hindi tayo ma-rip off.
Wait lang. We have to wait. I have done. Bro.
Who will groom me tonight? That's the question.
Pow, 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 pow. Pow. Yun! Okay, get it! Make that shit 11 bucks. Make it 12. You can press E to make it go faster, monkey. Don't press it, of course. Yun, $12.
$11.99.
Oh, that's good enough. Okay, we have 316 bucks. That's good. We can get our product shelf. I'm gonna make one. And I actually placed it already.
Go kill yourself, woman.
Okay, we got new product shelf, so I'm gonna place the extra item that we have.
We should actually just buy a restocker if we have enough money. When we have enough money.
You mean front face points, right?
Yeah. Like,
Wait,
I
how
know.
many
Once we have extra money that we can spend freely, we can buy a restocker because they'll just buy the fucking shit for us.
Wait, what? You have to use money to buy employees?
No. We can, if we have extra money because they're gonna use our money
Oh, yeah.
to buy shit. Diba? Or we can get it right now and just be the two cashiers.
No.
Okay.
Why don't we just get 2 cashiers and then like, just automate everything else?
Okay.
I mean, like, the restocker buys for you. No, the restocker only gets the item, so we still have to choose what item we buy.
Fuck.
Because that's only, the restocker is different from, like, the buyer.
Oh, hello.
Join us.
Ah,
Sumali ka.
Hello.
Sali ka, sali ka.
Are you guys playing that one supermarket game?
Yes, yes. Sali ka. Para sale.
Should I actually get skimmed cheese for the first fucking time?
I'm gonna buy this.
Wait, don't buy, I'll buy.
Yan na lang combo para kay Goku.
I just said don't buy, I will
My
buy.
bad, my bad.
Because I'm looking at the thing that we need right now.
Nasa ng code? Give me the code, bruh.
General.
It's in general. Alasa. Para sa
Why do
Tungka,
we need
tungka, tungka, tungka.
16 pieces of dog food?
Para ma-lure in mo ang mga dogs bago kainin mo.
Oh my god. Wait lang, I need like 5 more bucks. What's 5 more bucks? Bro, be the cashier for a bit.
Give me a sec.
So you fix the price or I be the guy? Okay, time to get this.
Ha?
No, okay.
Ano na pinig ko?
Actually, what does the storage guy do? What does the storage guy do? What does the storage guy do?
Oh no, everything we buy, he stores it, I think.
Sino pa? Goku.
Okay.
Kinda useless, I'm good luck.
I'm sim. When our store gets bigger, I think he'll be needed.
Welcome to I Fuck Niggers.
Yan, maging cashier ka.
Maging cashier ka na.
Just put the fries in the bag, bro.
Sino mag-handle ng isang cashier?
Yung ano, yung aming
Ito,
boss.
si Mob Psycho. Ito si
Yeah,
Mob Psycho, pre.
We call him Mob Psycho because he can handle a cashier without even moving, bro. Okay, ako lang dapat nagbibili because I know statistics. Okay, no, I'm joking. Basta I can see like the trend.
Sino ga? Wala naman akong nakikita din eh. Who's Mob Psycho, bro?
Are nga, kita mo ga? Ha? Kaya nga Mob Psycho dahil ano nakakabenta siya kahit nandun siya. To. Ayun o. Diga, si Mob Psycho yan. Alam mo,
Hey guys, I'm back. What happened?
Wala, nandito na si Jack.
What the fuck? Hindi ni si Jack Hard Garo Gaming. Putang ina.
Ano na tayo ka, idol?
Putang ina, may isa pang cancer sa ating super.
Bakit ayaw mo makita na empleyado mo pag pangalan ay Jack Garo Gaming?
Go kill yourself.
Nakita niyo lang yung pangalan ng ating store.
Langon. Yun yung unang nakita niya eh. Ay, fuck, nigga.
Nga naman, siguro naghahanap din ng service.
Oh, we need salt. We need fucking salt. You know what's wrong with you
Yung
guys?
mga binubuli si, Mob Psycho.
You guys bought 61
Ah!
tea for no fucking reason at all. Like, you
Huh?
guys are fucking weirdos.
Ha?
You need this as well. Okay. Premium bottle. Ano yan yan? Premium bottle na yan.
Kim cheese.
Oh my
Fuck
god.
no.
Oh, joke.
Actually,
Joke. Okay, stop. Do not buy anything.
Oh, I'm not buying it.
Bibili.
Oh, wait. Customer.
Bro, anong binili mo? Oh my god, bro. I said I was buying the salt and then you bought salt as well. You know how much fucking salt we have, Gab?
you can still put... There we go. You can still put... You can still...
Yeah, but do you know how much fucking salt we have now?
Yes? It's
Yes.
so cheap, bro.
Still. Oh, joke. Did you know you can B-hop in this game?
Yeah?
You know you can B-hop in this game, bro. Hey, we're actually making money, guys. We need to buy some preserves, though.
Rice and pasta penne I'm buying.
I'm buying cat food and that. Alright, we got 40 of this.
Ano ang shop space? What's shop space?
What do you mean? You mean shop space?
Ito oh, yan. There, look. Shop space and storage space.
Oh, that's like extra space for our shop. You don't need that.
Bakit may jail cell din eh?
You can put
Did
it-
you actually buy more dog food?
No, I bought no. I bought what?
Oh my god. Because we already have dog food.
I bought beans. I bought beans.
Fair enough. Can't we even put this anywhere? We ran out of space again. We're gonna save up for a product shelf. Don't buy anything yet.
Bruh!
We ran out of space again.
Ano ka naman? Baka kasi, wala kasi nabili nung tea na ginastos nyo na tigwa 100 yung tea, tapos wala naman nabili. Alam mo yun? What?
Ano nangyari? Nahulog ata si Gab.
I almost fell. I almost fell. I almost May wala ng customer.
Because it's, oh my god, it's time. Bruh.
We earned.
Ah.
We lost.
God.
That's not that bad. That's not that bad.
Time's
We
wrong.
have to pay our employees $60 a day. Can we turn that down?
No payment.
Can we set that to like $10?
Sorry, $10. I mean, no. I'm stupid. I'm stupid. Never mind. My bad.
Like $60. Oh, Wi-Fi connection.
Yeah.
I got it.
Yes. Oh my god, I'm blessing. Oh yeah. Finally, we got Wi-Fi connection.
What is this? Pat. Ano ka?
Cat food. Joke probably eats that.
Is Jok still here?
Hoy, Joke Hard Garo Gaming. Oh, Prince.
Ikaw ang cashier namin ha, muna ha. Fuck, I'm gonna go restock. Let's start this
Muna.
thing.
Fucking restock. We need a fucking product shelf.
For what?
We need a product shelf, big bro.
This is where the fridge is gonna be. So then this is the start of our product shelf line again. This is like another fridge. We just need like 3 fridges. I'm watching you, bitch. You better pay.
may mga
What?
may mga yung parang mga magnanakaw din like they
Wala
don't pay.
pa so far. Pero it exists.
Oh, it exists. Okay.
Yeah, si Jok. Kyoto mo ha. Bigla ka meron, Jok. Kyoto mo ha. Kyoto mo ha.
Scan ko yan, lalagyan ko ng presyo yan. Gagawin ko human trafficking.
You
What the fuck?
Look at our money, guys.
Oh my god.
Bro! Market price cat food $8. Your price $13. No wonder no one buying the fucking cat food. It's $13.
Gawin mo 10.
$10 at most. No wonder no one's buying the fucking cat food.
Bitch.
Jesus Christ.
Wala,
No, man.
I'll separate the dog food and the cat food. Ano tong... Oh, this is cat food again.
Kailangan ng stripper para magka-pera tayo. I fuck niggers. I fuck niggers. I fuck niggers.
Bro, elemental cheese, market price 183. Your price 186. What the fuck? I'm changing that.
Aray!
Taasin nyo, pero wag sobrang. Ganun lang talaga po. Bossy! Oh, putang ina. I'll buy
Ay.
necessities like right now. Hold on.
Ano yan?
You need this. Okay guys, restock. We bought some shit.
Okay,
Ang galing-galing kasi ni Mob Psycho maging cashier.
Si Bob Psycho. Oy, let him do his job.
Wag mo na
Kung yan,
magpulihin si Mob
Putang ina,
Psycho.
oy. Kung yan nag-awaken. Ang ina mo. Lagot ka.
Pag yan nag 100% at skinan ikaw, ginawa kang human trafficking. Lagot ka.
Binabattle flip ko rin ano? Sino yung magkakashare din eh?
Oo.
Si Jack Hard Garo.
Kasama ko si Mob Psycho.
Putang ina. Okay, we have Zero! Zero! Nandini pa rin yung cut. Ay, zero.
I swear to God. Whoever is leaving the fucking boxes outside and actually throwing it, I'm killing you.
Pagpatulong ka kami kay Mob Psycho.
Putang ina.
Tama na. Ayoko na kayo mag-psycho.
Mops.
Tama na. Tama na. Tama na kayo kay Bob Tama na.
Gab!
What?
Paluin mo ng paluin pag para maging 100% yan.
Expanded? Who domain expanded? Who?
Hindi ako. We need more money to restock. Who expanded?
Oh my God.
What do we need this space for? Ano to? Sex room? Who the
Ano ka na? Ano ka?
Why are you giggling for?
We're so fucking retarded!
Ano ga?
Hindi ko na kaya! Sa kaalis hindi yung cashier, puta kina pagkatalikot digdig yung nakikita.
Ano ga?
Sabay, pagka-reload ko, galing ko pagluluto ng itlog, hinahalikan ako ni Gab. Hubat! Hubat! Just a shit ton of herbal shit! What is this?
Why?
Herbal tea? Ano to? Johnny Joestar?
Okay na.
Joseph, kono istiro do.
Johnny, go Johnny, go, Johnny, go.
Paano kita takbo wala mo yung paa?
Ay, tatakbo na yung
Ayan,
Ano ka?
Psycho, hindi kailangan ng paa, kailangan niya ng telekinesis lamang.
Ang ina mo, hahampasin ko eh, yan.
Oh, may kilala din ako Johnny Joester sa school natin.
Kung si Mab Psycho, nag-judge ako lang na yung telekinetic o gagamitin niya ang kamay niya.
Ang putang ina mo.
Nah, I'm joking. Jacking off is bad.
Jarvis! Jarvis, check me up, Jarvis! Full of the force key, Jarvis! Okay, what do we need?
Buti na lang wala sa second floor hanggang fourth floor yung Johnny Joester sa school natin.
Oh my God, tama na. Okay, we need cat food. We keep needing to buy soda. Pisses me off so much.
I don't tolerate if we use cheats in this game, by the way. Nobody's gonna cheat. We're gonna have to do legit. And like, because it's funny.
The
funny.
fuck would we cheat, bruh?
I don't know, if we get, bankrupt. Yun lang.
There's
But
no
no.
cheats in this game.
Oh, thank God. Thank God.
Guys, start restocking.
Okay. What do we need? Okay, let me check. We don't have...
No. Like restock. We're not gonna buy. We're gonna restock.
Soda.
I got bitches along my name every
Where is
day.
the cat food? Why did you summon the herbs and the cat food? Bro! Okay,
So the cat can smoke weed while eating food. Ano ga?
I'm not talking.
Who bought 40 sodas?
It's the shelf in the middle of the...
I'm moving.
Itang kaya. Itang kaya mo pagka.
I'm moving shit.
Itang kaya pa.
I'm moving shit. I'm moving
Hey,
it. Get on with it. Moving it.
Kaya mo pagka, Ethan. Kaya mo pa. Ethan. Oh no.
I have no other options.
Ay na. Yun na.
Oy, moonwalking oh.
Putang ina mo.
I haven't found this soda pack.
What?
I'm gonna order some soda packs.
Okay.
There, soda pack.
Joke, how
There.
Joke. I would like being a cashier for a while.
This is your future, bro. This is your future.
Did you just say feature into the future?
Future.
I heard feature.
What the fuck?
I'll buy soda packs. Actually, wait.
Already bought some. Yeah, already
Okay,
bought some.
buti na lang. Okay, kakain lang ako. Wait lang. Pagbalik ko, tapos ay nabenta. Okay. Tagal na.
Ako magre-restalker. Puke ng ina! Friends! Papatayin kita!
No.
Ba't kang daming zero boxes dito sa labas?
Yes.
Tang ina mo. Tapunin mo lamang sa ano, mas madali pa yun. What? What? Someone stole something.
Okay.
I saw something that said someone stole something.
It's you! No! Oh, he got away!
Fuck!
I was actually wanting them to steal something just so I could beat the shit out of them. Okay, kulang tayo ng cheese. Skimmed cheese. Or like 1 block. We also need decaf soda pack. Yeah, that should be it.
Where's the mental cheese at? I can't find the
Yeah, no, I ordered it. I ordered it.
Oh, bro! I ordered it already!
What?
I already did it!
No, the other type of cheese. Skimmed cheese. Skimmed cheese,
Oh.
not elemental cheese.
Ano kang elemental cheese? Elemental.
Elemental Gamma.
Go kill yourself.
Oh, what is this? What is this? Soda pop.
Konde. Anata ko, site.
Oh, now we're making big bucks.
Okay nang ina mo, Prince.
Joke, what are you doing with the scanner? Joke,
Ako'y gay na, ako'y pinapakinggan ko gayong Pillar Man theme but it's epic version.
okay.
Talaga, ako'y naka-unmute yung aking matchbox na bot.
Okay, now,
Bilis
the
natin
only
muna.
thing we need now is we need to buy, the basic products too.
Yeah, which is scary because there's so much stuff in there.
Yeah. We can do it. Also, I think we should buy another storage rack. Storage shelf. I mean product shelf.
Gab, I bought it.
Oh my god, okay.
Basic products to holy shit. I mean, it isn't actually that bad, but still, we're gonna need another product shelf. Actually,
Yeah,
no,
I'm gonna
we
buy
do. One. Okay, I'll get the product shelf ready.
I already have a product shelf.
Okay.
here.
I'll restock. Okay, we need one of all. I'm not buying sunflower oil. $300.
Putang ina.
Are you fucking crazy? I'll just buy whatever we can. I'll buy. Yeah, that's all we can afford. There. Bunch of stuff outside. Here, there's some stuff outside. Help me restock.
Give me a second. fucking around with Ethan's dead body.
Bread takes up so many slots. We need two rows for just bread. Damn. Pepper.
Hoy, kakain lang ako kapag kayo yung nasa puksa. Ano ko?
Okay.
That apple juice. And flour.
Oh my god, these fat asses keep buying the cheese.
Uy, may nabili ng cat food.
Woo.
Oh, we can close down.
Oh, give me a sec. I'm still,
Alright.
Okay, there we go.
Shut down.
Alis na kayo?
Yeah, that's the end of our working day. Okay.
Uy!
Oh, we didn't lose any.
Net positive.
Hey! Hey, screenshot this. Send it to Ethan.
I didn't screenshot it.
Mamaya
I
na kayo
screenshot
mag-open.
it.
Sige.
Ano daw?
Mamaya na daw si Jok.
Oh my
Mamaya kayo
god. Okay.
mag-open. Sabi ko mamaya kayo
Ah.
mag-open.
Oh, okay.
Bakit?
Ako i-change ko lahat ng mga prices nito. Gagawin ko $100.
Wag!
Go.
Oh, malay mo naman may bumili. Oh, diga. Malay mo naman may bumili.
Can you go price checking, Prince?
Yeah, I'm price checking right now. That's 197. Set that to 260. Set that to $3. Okay, set that to $11 for dog food. Jesus Christ. $10. $9 even. Calm down. Its market price is 7. Okay, that's normal. Yeah, everything looks good.
We need margarine. We actually need a lot. Not buying all of that.
I made the flour to 150.
Oh, we need more honey cereals. I'm buying that. We're broke now.
Okay. 000. We're gonna start now.
Wait, okay. Where the hell's the honey cereals?
Yogurt! No more yogurt! Yogurt!
No, we can't buy yogurt. We're too poor.
No, I'm trying to stock the yogurt. Hoy, nasa na yung scanner ko? Pang human traffic ko yun.
Putang ina.
Go, Jigaboos! Flood into the store! Nandito na si Mob Psycho at si Jack Hard Garu Gaming.
Kaskan ko kayo, gagawin ko kayong human trafficking victims.
Okay. Mag-aabang na ako with my broom.
Ba't ga ako nag-slide? Oh yan! Oy, magnanakaw, Prince! Magnanakaw!
Nasaan? Because he's...
Nigger. The sanity of your mother.
Buti naman na din ako, pwede akong maglagay ng upuan din ako isasandal din sa pader. Ari naman si Mob Psycho, kuha ng aking mga customers.
Si Mob Psycho, kuha ng customers. That's something, that's a set phrase I thought I'd never hear in my 100 years of living.
Ano kasi Mob. I got nothing.
Kill yourself.
sticky, stick and pretty. Don't change the game. When the world die with a smile. This song is so goated.
Sim.
Prince, napakinggan mo na ba ang Die with a Smile?
No.
Okay, wait lang, pakinggan mo.
We need pasta pen.
Oh, wait. Oops. Sorry, ma'am. Dami mo naman binili na yogurt.
Ayan ay ano, mas maganda yan kaysa walang bibili.
Nga naman. Pakinggan mo to, Prince, ha? Die with a Smile.
Uy, ubos cat food. Ay, dog food pala. Ubos na tayo ng dog food. Gago. I thought I'd never see the day we would run out of dog food. Let's go. Dog food, cat food. Come on, bro. There's a bit more. Yan, we're broke now.
Tomorrow. When the world discovers I would be back to you. This the world. Woo! Now that's what's true. God has told you so. And fly with the smile. This world was good. I will be next to you. "9:30. Anong oras na ga?
We're gaining money. Shit, we might be running out of stock. Let me check. Have any more? Running out of rice. Margarine. Yeah, that's about it. And some soda, but that's the worst. Lonely was somebody, and that time on earth was through. I wanna hold a while and die with us if the world was ending. I'd be next if the world was ending.
are you, bro?
Such a goated song. Oh, bro, such a goated song. Oh, it's such a goated song.
Can you shut the fuck up?
You shut up, bro. It's a goated song, bro. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. If our time on earth, ah, through, I wanna hold you. Sino may sabi nun?
Ako, bakit?
Aba,
Aba!
lit naman titi mo.
Po ka ng ina.
Kita lang diyan yung bulbul mo.
Hello? Everything turning out fine?
Ay,
Inday?
oo, may sinabi
Shit,
akong
Gab!
bata.
We ran out of fucking soda. Need more.
Fred,
Wait,
may narinig akong bata sa mic ni Gab.
Hindi ako.
makakaburat.
No! Ako pa, lit naman titi mo.
Sabi mo, di pa tuloy.
Malago na bulbul mo.
Patay yan, chok-chok.
Paki ko kung bata yan, malit na titi. Pag nagkaasawa ka, tatawanan ka niya. Tapos sabihin, liit titi mo.
I love
Hello?
starving myself.
Hello?
Hello.
I'm back. Wow.
Okay, I got the
Kaninong
frozen
mic yun?
foods.
Kaninong
I got
mic
the
yun?
frozen foods. Shut the fuck up!
Ano ganun nangyayari?
Yung chat.
May narinig akong bata, nasa mic ata ni Ethan.
Pindan ko yun.
Pinsan mo guys, sinabi ko malit titi.
Ano ba yun?
Walang pa eh.
Babae gayon, kaya naman pala.
Ayun.
Disconnected.
Uy, level 8 na tayo, guys. Okay, let's see.
Bumili ako ng ng
Ethan, check general. Ethan,
ng
check
frozen
general.
foods. I got the frozen
Ethan,
foods.
Ethan, kita mo ka sa general. We finally got a net profit.
Is that Chet? Is that Chet? Is that the king?
Babae yun?
Ha?
Is that the king?
Anong king?
Are, look, come here. What is this? Is that a king?
No, that's Pepper.
I thought that was the king.
Gawa mo.
Wait, it looks like it.
When the world was
I'm
ending,
pricing
I
everything.
wanna be next to you.
Everything is nice. I already price checked everything, bro.
Can you price check the freezer?
Ethan, babae yun? Ethan?
Hindi, yung isa, lalaki, tapos may isa pang babae. Pero hindi
Yung lalaki yung kinausap ko. Sinabi ko mali
Our
titi.
skim cheese sauce. Wait lang, our skim cheese sauce.
Gawa mo.
Someone did not set the skim cheese price. Oh, you have a freezer? Fondue. Okay. We're doing...
Freeze,
Okay.
Thing yet. I'm gonna buy another freezer because we need.
Freeze,
Shut up.
We go bot pat, then we get more employees.
We go. Ego. Ultra ego, Vegeta.
I think the internet connection was a good investment. May nahuli ka kayong thief?
Wala. madami ako nakitang maitim. Kala ko'y magnanakaw.
Ayun.
Oy! Share! Thank you.
I haven't found this friend.
Ah, ako ba yung kausap mo? Kala ko si Mab Psycho.
Ayun.
Uy, set mo yung pre sa mga freezer.
Kayo na. Okay, nagawa ng iba.
If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. Subukan mo! Saksak mo yan!
Where's our
Doon ka kasi sa labas mag-video. Ah, yung ano, yung nagkakagusto, yung nagugustuhan mo?
Nugang tawa yan, friend.
Nothing, I did nothing. I'll just let you guys notice. I'll let you guys notice.
Guys, ang dami nating kulang, guys. Okay, I'm the one responsible on buying now.
Yeah, Chok, let them notice. Let them notice. Let them notice. Let them notice what I did. You're not gonna notice. Tignan ko nga ulit. Adi.
Bakit hindi sari-sari to?
Put! Ah!
Bakit?
Tinigasan ako, Mark.
Oh my God,
Tinigasan ako,
Hello,
Mark.
customers. Welcome to Tinigasan na Kumbay.
Tinigasan ako, Mark.
Bakit ka?
Wala naman.
Mark.
Uy, mag-hire kayo ng empleyado doon sa labas. Sabihin nyo,
Tinitigasan ako!
tinigasan ako. Pumasok kayo sa...
Ako na. Tinitigasan ako.
Hindi ko
my
na kaya
God,
sa
it's a lock-in.
Tinitigasan.
Pagka wala tayong ilaw.
Kaya mo na. Bahala na tayo
Tangina.
mabulag, puta.
flashbang. Uy, wala tayo sa healthy restock, Gab.
Oh my God, we
Nga
have
naman.
some monkey
Restocking.
stock.
I'm restocking right now. Just need someone to help me.
Okay. I bought... Okay, I have to clean everything up. Wait lang. This... Okay, tama. This are... Okay, tama. Are...
Bilsan nyo naman. Kayo tulong-tulong, hindi gayan yung policy sa tinitigasan ako.
Yung moto natin, tinigasan ako!
Tanganan nyo.
I'm fucking killing all of you.
So, if you're ready.
You're wasting money on lights!
No, investment, so we can see the burglars.
Oh my God. Ba,
Di ka,
o ano?
oo, nga naman.
Ano?
Di ka hindi mo talaga makikita. Iitim sila.
Kaya... Ano ga?
Close!
Nga naman. Maganda nga namang investment ang ilaw. Eh, di mo makikita ang mga magnanakaw. Itim na itim kasi.
I do not want to talk to you. We're in... Guys, why are we $1?
Dollar.
Itim, itim, itim na nga yung balat ng magnanakaw. Itim pa ang suot.
Si Joffrey.
Ate Jeffrey! Ano ba si Jeffrey?
I have not seen Joffrey in like so long.
I Joffrey like once nung training kami.
Oh.
Pumunta kayo sa simbahan.
Hindi, they came, bro, the priest came to us. We were just training and then they were like, "What's up, father?" Dead ass.
What's up, mga real
Oy!
niggas?
Idadak na si Father. What's up? What's up, mga real niggas?
Eh, Prince, ari kagaling ka talaga ni Ethan. Dine-deny ang paggamit ng lights. Ay pag nga may magnanakaw. Itim na nga ang balat, itim pa ang suot.
Putang ina. Sama.
Let me stream. I'm streaming.
Why are you streaming?
Fucking killing my guys. Zai, you wanna join us?
Join! Oh my god.
Zai, join us. Zai, look at that amazing shop.
Hindi.
Tinitigas ako
Magdala
Mark.
ako! Yeah, magdala ako!
Nasaan?
Magdala ako!
Nasaan? Nasaan?
Wait lang, puro.
Hindi magdala! Yeah! Aba! Siya pa yung nasigaw para sa pulis! Aba! Siya pa yung nasigaw para sa pulis!
Sunlock si Tutoy.
Welcome to Tinigas.
True combo.
Friends, ang ironic, yung itim pa yung nasigaw para sa pulis.
Ang sasamahan nyo.
What the fuck did I just... Nah, get me out of here.
Papagtulungan na ng mga pulis.
Kailangan nyo ko lang tayo ng pera. Kailangan pa natin ng ham cheese crepe.
Oh my god.
Let me buy some sliced bread later.
Oh. Guys, we need 2 more franchise points and we get more employees.
Sana hindi itim.
I don't wanna talk to you anymore.
Pagkina ninyo.
Ang ina mo.
ang maangas si Mob Psycho. Nakatayo lang din maghapon.
Cheers, telekinesis. He's just standing here and he's doing his job anyway.
Nga naman,
Wait,
gumaya
there's
naman
trash.
tayo kay Mob Psycho.
Wait, there's trash. I have to clean. Wait lang.
Kulang tayo sa freezer. Kailangan natin isa pa. We need another fucking freezer. I don't have enough storage to put this in.
Well, I'll get a freezer. We're broke. We can't get a freezer.
Frieza?
Dito mo na yung storage room.
What if I get a TV?
Who the fuck is a freezer, bro? Sumali ka na kasi, Doy.
I am doing that.
Chika no ko, kosh, tan. Chika no ko, kosh, tan.
Ang binilan lang na Ray, ang binili lang nito ay gardenia. Bulok.
Bro.
Yung dyan pinatras na ano ba yung binili mo lang gardenia?
Kung may isa dito nag-BB-hop,
Gagastos na lang ng pera, bibili na lang ng pagkain, ayaw pa paramihin.
Parinig ka, pupuruhin ko ikaw, nasa kaga?
This crispy piece. Ano ba yun?
Ba't na kayo nagsisipaluan diyan ng
Pupuruhin kita.
Ay, shit.
Oy, gago.
Malit na mo.
Kayo'y tumingin mo, kayo'y gagawin tong human trafficking.
Okay. Oh, wait lang. Go.
Kita na yung recording.
Mister, ang dami ka din yung ginagawa ko eh.
Wala where's your freezer, bro?
Tulungan niyo ako mag-restart.
Bro, you've got a freezer ng galay. Is the ketchup new? Do we need to someone press check the ketchup?
I'm gonna do it. Hold on.
Ano ba sabi niyan? Kiddie ketchup? Hindi pala?
What?
Hindi tanda ka yung chat mo sa akin. Were you gonna sue him? Kitty po. Tanda ko yung chat mo sa akin. Tangin mo kakayop ka. Kumpal mo.
We need more checkups.
Ketchup. Oh yeah, the ketchup price
The
is wrong.
world was ending, I wanna be next to you.
Pwede na yan pang solo boys.
Sadya.
Sali.
Ay, kinabahan lang sa una kong solo, boys. Ay, umihi ako.
Bobo mo lang.
Ayun, dalawa naglalaman sa boys. Gojo versus support.
Nga naman.
Ah.
Hindi na kami magkaklase ni Prince.
Just a holy... Labanan. Patigas.
Labanan na.
Patigas.
I will buy. Stop buying random stuff. I mean, like, they're not really random, but like, still buy random things. We need cat food and dog food right now.
Ba't sabi daw ay online yung contest?
It is.
Ay, paano yon? Online?
Ibigay mo.
Iintayin ko lang kayo bago
The
mag-notice kayo.
world was ending. I wanna be next to you. If my time on earth.
Hindi pa din free.
Let them notice, Ethan. Let them notice. Ready?
Patigasan tayo ba?
Gusto ko nga magka-voices ang NPC din eh. Mamaya may maririnig tayo. Oy, patigasan tayo. Punta tayo doon.
Market price the dog and cat food $4 above.
That wasn't me. I noticed that too, but I let that happen because people buy it anyway.
Yeah, I'm letting that shit slide.
People buy it anyway, bro.
They'll buy it unless it's 2 times of the value.
Wow.
We can just rip them off.
I shall make it 1.99 per, like 1.99 times the value.
No. Like ano?
Utang ina, wala! Wala pang rich kid ng shop natin. Make everything $100. Ano ga?
Nga naman.
Kaya nga patigasan tayo, Mark. Pakitaan tayo ng tigas at pera.
Nga naman.
RK only.
O yan! Aring maitim ang binili ko kasi ako, classic.
Anong
Buti na kayo.
Ay, kayo mo!
Oh, anong price? Oh, tapos. Oh.
Tapi di yan! Ang nakikita ko lang sa monitor ko ay yung shit.
Anong price? Oh, tapos. Anong kukunin mo dyan?
Alis na yan! Ako kinaskan ko yung gardenia nito.
Kaya pala kaya hawak siyang scanner.
Ba't kapag kliniklik ko ang iyong ba't ko kapag kliniklik ko ang screen mo na habang ang puwet mo ay nasa screen ko ang sabi, I need a broom for this. Ano gagamitin ko na? Tutusok ko yan sa iyong puwet. Sige. Kulit na kulit. Tignan mo. Itan, taas ka din Harry. Screen share ko.
No,
Ay, screenshot ko.
Alam namin. It happens to us too. Need a broom for this.
Nga naman.
Okay, time to be the most annoying piece of shit known to man.
Oy, may trash, oy!
I'm the most annoying shit known to man, bro.
Ang ginagawa mo diyan, Jack. Uy, si Yuji ito, sorry! Sige.
You guys wanna play the Roblox version of this, but there's hindi, may gas station, so it's
Gusto namin yung
yung gas station.
Nalaro ko na yung gas station, mahirap nga. Mas gusto ko to dahil parang tanga.
Oh, nalaro tayo nun?
Ayoko. Gusto ko muna sa patigasan tayo, Mark.
Nga.
I've already played that game and hated it because I got PTSD from people buying too many generators and then making us go bankrupt.
Tanga. If the world was ending, I
Guys,
wanna
I
be
will buy
next.
a lot of random shit. You guys have to restock. I don't give a shit. What do we need? Ba-ba-ba-ba-bam.
I put that in the wrong. Oopsies.
Psycho recorder!
O yun.
Yun.
Tangina.
I can hear him
Baby,
slapping.
ano? Nakita ko yung text na yon, sinampal ni Gab bago hit ni Harder Baby.
Anong Gab? Ako yung si Prince.
Ah, si Prince guys, siya, hindi ko alam.
Si Kutans. Ako yun.
Ba't ka sa pagkasampal ni Prince kay Mob Psycho, sabi hit me harder, baby?
Tawag talaga natin sa employee at natin Mob Psycho. Sakit talaga.
Anong next employee natin?
Okay guys, restock now.
Okay.
Uy, may stripper!
Gago.
Yun.
Kaskan ko ikaw, gagawin kitang human trafficking.
Ikaw ay aking special. Pampararam.
Putang ina mo! Yan.
Tumabi kayo, putang ina ni... Ay, siya na lang sa kabila.
Umikot
Ang sabi na, putang mo.
Oy, Prince, kita ko yung kamukha mo sa dog food.
Putang ina mo.
Tinawait at kamukha ni Prince.
Alaskan ka pala, friends. Okay.
Ayop ka. Kakatay ko yung aso mo, kakainig ko yung putang ina.
Subukan mo, baka ikaw pa mamaya katayin nun.
Yung dalawa.
Sino ang pangalan nun? Si Tiniga at si...
Sa Chikala. Wala, patay na yung isa.
Condolences.
Free food. 2023.
Ano sabi ni Ethan na free food?
Wala naman.
Sabi mo, ikirinig ko, sabi mo free food.
Wala.
Garena Free Fire?
Wala.
Putang. I think we need to get more freezers, bro.
Yeah, we do.
Frieza!
Freezer?
Stripper!
Can't do that right now. Too busy restocking.
Ang pangit ng city natin.
Ang mukha mo.
Aba,
Can someone do a price check on everything? And we're gonna save up for
Level
a...
10.
We're gonna save up for a...
Oy!
freezer.
We can end the shift.
Alright. We're totally losing money, guys. It's a new day.
Eh, kasi patigasan tayo.
ano gare, ba't ga ako ini-invite ni Sans? Obi, but you're on a bike.
What? Hoy, gising na yung dalawa dyan. Have to keep working, boys.
Walking eh.
Ate Teneng, kita ka talaga ni Ate Be.
Get your ass out!
Where the fuck did this music come from?
Budan.
Ay.
Budan.
Holy
Budan.
fucking I have never realized the face until now.
Budan. Budan.
Why does the
Budan.
character look like Ethan?
Budan. 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 Budan.
Bro, it
Udon.
looks like Ethan from afar.
Yeah.
Ethan? Me?
This same haircut. Same haircut.
Yeah. It looks like you from afar, bro. Where the fuck did the music come from? It was quiet for like the last 30 minutes.
Get the fuck away!
Do you go to stream?
Ano kita ko sa demo? Everyone check general right now. May send ako sa general.
Bro, play the fucking game!
Naman may nakita ako sa demo.
Ano ga?
Oh, yung bagal ng Discord ko.
Play the fucking game, bro. Up
Check
track.
general.
Oh my god. I am not looking at that. Yan!
Nasaan na si Prince? Where's Prince?
Friend is probably eating right now. We're doing like a new perk? Bruh!
Aray, 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 aray. Aray, 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 aray.
Buwa, joke!
Ano guy? Nagkakasira ako din eh.
Sino ko hindi nasipag dyan? Where's Gab? Oh, Gab muted.
You can buy another freezer.
Yo, need right now. What we do need is a full restock. That's good.
We have $500. We have $600.
Say bye to those $600.
Oh my god. If the world was air, I will be next to you. Ah.
Tingin. Yan ay lahat ay ginagamit ko. Ginagamit ko lahat yan dahil ang ginawa ni Mami Atay. Basta may ginawa si Mami dun sa aking dating pantalon eh. Nilabas na dyan. Nilabas. Lahat po yung ginagamit ko. What are you doing, joke?
The flour is too expensive. I'm making it like, like $2. Ayan, 250.
Ah, yogurt pala rin. Look, we're running out of stock on everything. We need a restocker like ASAP.
Wala ka gang employee. Hire an employee.
We need one more level.
If we survive this day, then that's one more level.
No, actually.
Oh.
It's nasa left, top left. For level 10, the bar is the thing that goes around the fucking time.
Oh.
Ano ako? Isda. What people are gonna ask for? Oh shit. Gonna suck. So
Can
hard
we
being
sell-
the own
can we-
damn restocker in this place.
Can we sell this?
What? What?
Like the yung counter.
Why?
Because may automatic counter na tayo doon.
We can't.
Oh.
You know what? We can just get our cashier.
Yeah. So I can help you restock.
Or I get the restocker so you don't have to restock.
Cashier. Cashier na lang. I'll deal with the madali lang naman ang pag-restock.
Wait lang po. Okay. Wait lang, dami niyong request. Aisha, I'll buy some stuff. Why? Joke?
What?
Why does the sushi cost 400?
It's sushi, bro.
I'm not buying that yet. Give me a damn minute, bro. I have to clean something while simultaneously restocking at the same time, bro. How is life getting harder? I'm gonna buy more necessities, hold on. God damn, this is hard. I don't want to do this. I have to keep playing for the game. Pwede. Gotta keep working to get money. Gotta keep working to get money. Got some more dog food. And some more bread. And some more shit for the freezer. Oh, this yogurt. Joke, you good?
Yes.
How's life, bro?
It's alright.
I have to buy so much stuff. We're doing good prices right now. Ha? Bakit? Sabi ko sa'yo malit ka titi mo. Joke, nandito siya ngayon. Anong GMRC? May ganun ka? Oh, ay wala yung ina, tanga aga. Hindi ka joke ko lang ang ina. Halos.
Ano? Ano?
Wala. Di ba?
Ano?
Nag-cheat yun.
Hindi talaga divorce.
Like annual. Blah, blah, something like that.
Hindi lang nag-uusap.
Magagalit lang.
Hmm.
Oh. That's the last guy. Finish it, joke. That's the last guy. That's not pretty